Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Microsoft Teams meeting policies in Admin Center, complete guide step by step clearly. To update Microsoft Teams meeting policies in the Admin Center, start by signing in to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Use your administrator account to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and select Teams. In the Teams section, choose Meeting Policies. Here, you will see a list of existing meeting policies. To edit an existing policy, click on the policy you wish to modify. You can adjust settings for features like meeting recordings, allowing cloud recordings, and participant permissions. After making your changes, remember to select Save to apply the updates. If you want to create a new policy, click on the Add button. Enter a name and description for the new policy. Customize the settings according to your organization's needs. Once finished, hit Save to create the new policy. To assign the policy to users, navigate back to the Meeting Policies page. Select the policy you want to assign and click on Manage Users. You can search for specific users or groups to apply the policy. After selecting the users, click Apply to enforce the updated policy. To confirm that your changes have taken effect, return to the Meeting Policies section. Check the policy settings and user assignments to ensure everything is correct. It may take a few hours for changes to propagate throughout the organization. For additional adjustments, revisit the Meeting Policies section as needed. Stay updated on Microsoft Teams features and best practices to optimize your settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.